So are we imagining them on Lake Erie
With white caps and
It goes down.
35-mile-an-hour wind.
Getting lower and lower.
It does kind of look a little low.
Come on, open the throttle a little bit.